sport mode. It's tight. Damn. It's like quiet depth. It's real quiet. The shifting is real tight. I think it could withstand a cold air intake though. If they make one for this car, I'm definitely gonna get it, a cold air intake. But it's so quiet. Like it's brutal, but it's quiet. This cars and technology today is just, man, it's just unreal what they can do. Like it's holding, what gear is it holding? I can't even tell. Oh, it doesn't tell me. Got the head-up display. So I didn't lose a lot by getting this car in terms of features. I actually gained a ton more from the Corvette. It's just spread out in a much bigger, wider package, like all of this stuff over here, which I have no clue about. I mean, I literally need to sit down for an hour and just see what's going on. A few minutes ago, I was getting ready to take this thing back to CarMax because when you stop, it has the auto shut off, and I was like, why is this car cutting off? Why is it cutting off whenever I stop? It turns out it was the auto shut off. Now I don't think it does that in sport mode. Let's see. It shouldn't, but it might. Oh no, see, it's turned off in sport mode. So I'm gonna do a lot of videos with this thing because it's just got so many features. But I'm gonna take this to the car wash. First thing you want to do, you get a car, new or used, is hand wash it yourself. That way you get to see all the little nicks and nannies. And of course, it's been a used car. It's gonna have a few nicks and nannies. I mean, it's 3 years old, but I don't expect to see no deficiencies like I did in the brand new 2017 Corvette. I'm gonna dog this shit out the Corvette because there's no way that car should have been released with all those problems. It just doesn't make sense. And so this is a 3-year-old car, sports luxury, as they put it. But I'm gonna be comparing it to the Corvette. I mean, I know there's two different vehicles and markets, but in terms of quality, a Beamer's quality versus a Corvette's quality. And I'm 99% sure this 3-year-old car is gonna have better quality than, I mean, hell, I ain't even gotta compare it. Just look around. I mean, just look in here. All the buttons work, you know, the pre-position seat button works, the radio works. So I can honestly say I am not disappointed in trading down, which was actually an upgrade, but money-wise it was a downgrade because look at this crazy guy. You just gonna cut off the damn what's called. Wow. It just doesn't have the sound. I know I kind of got distracted by crazy ass cutting the road off there. But this car doesn't have that Corvette sound, of course. I mean, but it's better than decent. You can definitely tell that there's a V8 turbo up under there.